tutorial will cover the Overview tab on a customer profile for Apprenticeship Illinois. After navigating to your customer group and finding the customer that you wish to review, you land on the Intake Review tab. The Overview tab is the one just to the left of the Intake Review, and it gives you a snapshot of what's going on with the customer, what needs to be done, and what has already been accomplished. You will see a yellow button that says Not Complete if the item has not been done, and you will see a green Complete for something that is done and you don't have to worry about it anymore. On the Integrated Resource team, you want to select any partners for the project that you want to add to the group. I'm selecting myself because I'm in as training right now. I save that there. And if I want to add one more person, I can add another and save it. And then when I click the list for View Partners, it will give me a list of the partners that have been added. I can remove them from the list if they are no longer working with our organization. On this page also are the pieces for the outcome status, career plan that are all parts of the performance for this grant, the intake review, and over on the left-hand side you will see on every page the profile information for that customer. If you click on the See All, it opens up so that you can see some of the basic information, what the status is for certain items. You can reset the password here for your customer, and you can also send them a message that will show up in their Illinois workNet account. That's it for the Overview tab.